sleep, better life, and mindfulness. Present Banala Dot the series. Banala Sleep Dot. Did you know that 1 in 3 adults worldwide struggles with sleep? It's a serious issue that affects millions every day. Since 2018, we at Banala have been dedicated to helping people achieve better sleep through innovative solutions. With 3 successful projects under our belt, we've already made a positive impact on countless lives. And now, we're thrilled to introduce our most compact solution yet, the Banala Sleep Dot. Packed with all the benefits of our renowned Banala sleep cycle-inducing system, the Banala Sleep Dot is designed for easy portability. And what sets it apart is our unique sleep cycle-inducing technology, featuring isochronic sound. Isochronic sound has been scientifically proven to be a safe and natural way to improve sleep quality. With just the push of a button, it goes to work. Our patented sleep cycle-inducing technology, featuring isochronic sound, helps you fall asleep quickly and guides you into deep, restorative sleep. Say goodbye to tossing and turning. The Banala Sleep Dot restores your sleep cycle to its natural rhythm. But don't just take our word for it. Hear what others have to say. By using the Banala Sleep Dot throughout the night, you'll wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. It's a brand new you. Trust Banala for better sleep and a better life. Don't let sleepless nights hold you back any longer. Try the Banala Sleep Dot today.
How do we measure a good night's rest? It isn't just about how long it takes to doze off, but the consistency of sleep we're getting throughout the night. You may have tried everything under the sun, but bedtime remains a battle. What if we told you all it took was a single touch? Introducing Znie Lite, the silent sleep care device. Znie Lite is a one-touch sleep assistant that grants you a restful night free of interruptions. With no fussy apps or body accessories required, winding down couldn't be simpler. It works quietly so both the brain and the body can switch off for the night. Brains are wired to match wave frequencies that are present around us. This is called brainwave synchronization. Znie works as a guide, emitting calmer waves that adjust the brain to enter a state of rest. The Znie Lite has 2 modes. On sleep mode, digital theta waves are emitted, the frequency band that dominates our brain when deeply relaxed. Activate and continue with your usual wind-down routine. The calm mode emits a higher frequency band called alpha waves. Alpha waves help us enter a calm and meditative state, making it perfect for work breaks. The Znie Lite is made easy to use thanks to its ergonomic and human-centered design. Plug in and touch for 2 seconds to activate. Easily alternate between modes with one touch. It's sophisticated and sleek, blending seamlessly into any living space. Its compact size makes it convenient to carry on the go. Working silently to improve sleep cycles, the Znie Lite supports you whenever, wherever. It's time you got the sleep you deserve. Znie Lite, you can't hear it, but your brain can.
Sleep and sleep, but still a tiring day. Having constant fatigue has become a habit for our body and mind. When you want some well-deserved sleep, NiteAura helps you breathe the best while you sleep. Smart sleep breathing care, NiteAura. NiteAura, with its exclusive sleep respiratory sensor, measures every detail of your breathing to identify and assess sleep-related issues like discomfort, snoring, and stuffy nose. It also naturally humidifies and heats, while smartly regulating humidity, temperature, and oxygen levels using advanced actuators. The device also features a variety of sleep breathing care functions. Manage your sleep smart and easy. Experience the comfort of a sleep-optimized design. Easily washable. Wash the silicone with any daily soap. It is also portable and easy to carry. The freshest morning is here with NiteAura. Your sleep breathing is all on NiteAura. Count on NiteAura for perfect sleep breathing.
We all want great sleep, right? Hi, I'm Tim, founder of Kokoon, and these are the new sleep headphones. Here, give them a try. We spend a third of our lives sleeping. It's vital to everything that's most important to us. Our health, our happiness, our performance, our relationships. Yet so many of us leave our sleep to chance. At Kokoon, we believe we can all sleep better through science. This is why we've teamed up with one of the world's most trusted brands, Philips, to create the ultimate sleep solution. Sleep headphones are expertly designed to help you fall asleep and stay asleep, no matter what's going on around you. Soft and super slim, these tiny buds sit snug within the ear, unnoticeable no matter what position you sleep in. That includes you, side sleepers. With sleep headphones, we've applied learnings from tens of thousands of users and a decade of research to create the world's thinnest headphone, perfectly shaped using a groundbreaking 3D statistical shape model to ensure comfort all night long. Equipped with powerful biometric sleep sensors and advanced noise masking technology, they automatically adjust throughout the night to ensure you remain cocooned in a sound blanket, perfectly tuned to your sleep. Unlock the power of audio to help you fall asleep quicker. Let the buds look after your audio, fading out as you fall asleep and introducing noise masking to protect your sleep throughout the night. The accompanying Kokoon app is your very own sleep coach. Powered by AI, it analyzes your sleep, guiding you through any struggles and helping you take the right steps to improve your sleep. And it even integrates with your favorite music, podcast, and video streaming apps. Kokoon got its start right here on Kickstarter. We've helped tens of thousands of backers get a better night's sleep, and we've learned a lot on the way. With sleep headphones, we're introducing our greatest innovation yet. The Philips Sleep Headphone blends expertise in sleep science and ergonomics with Philips' century-long reputation for crafting top-notch products and outstanding consumer experiences. Ready to level up your sleep? After completing our initial production cycle, we're asking for your support to make sleep headphones a reality right here on Kickstarter. So get more from your sleep. Help us on our mission to unlock the power of sleep for all. Thank you for joining us.
Exhausted? Feel foggy or get headaches during your work hours? Then you may have accumulated sleep debt. Sleep debt is the amount of sleep you're lacking over a given time period. It's harmful to your body and mind. Doesn't it bother you that you have no idea why you feel this way? Introducing RESPIO Sleep Monitor, a sleep coaching device that helps you fully understand why you're not getting good quality sleep and how you can fix it. With automatic and accurate tracking, RESPIO gives you a full picture of your night, so you have the information you need to better your sleep. Setting up RESPIO is simple. Place it across your bed and then lay down on top of it. As you sleep, RESPIO monitors and quantitatively analyzes your biometric data. It can detect abnormal breathing patterns, such as snoring, sleep apnea, record your snoring, and allow you to play it back in the morning, and observes if you're restless or tossing and turning. Also, It collects data on environmental factors like humidity, room temperature, and ambient light sources that may affect the quality of your sleep. Check the RESPIO app to see your personalized sleep score to better understand your sleep quality and patterns. With the cumulative data, the RESPIO Sleep Coach system will suggest you many ways to improve your sleep quality. With RESPIO, you get the insights and reminders you need to make good sleep a habit. It'll tell you best times to go to bed and give you tips on how to fall asleep faster. It can also coach you with personalized breathing exercises and meditation programs to help relax and calm your mind. Stop accumulating sleep debt. Investing in your day starts at night. When you sleep well, everything gets better. Get a sleep coach and have a great night's sleep. RESPIO, coaching you on better sleep.